Dhandavat Sri Trivikram Maharaj.
Dhandavat Sri Maharaj.
Trivikram Maharaj, I'm sorry. Turn off my audio because Dhananjay Prabhu
Please
is
accept
working.
my humble obeisance. I'm very happy to see you all. Nicely Gurudev's festival and Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur disappearance festival happened today.
Trivikram Maharaj,
Very nicely happened the festival. Jai Om Vishnupad Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Sundar Govinda Dev Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Vishwavaranya Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai. Om Vishnupad Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Rakshak Sridhar Dev Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Om Vishnupad Bhagavan Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada ki jai. His appearance, his holy appearance day, Mahamahotsav ki jai. All the worldwide devotees ki, all the Acharya Varga ki jai. Samagata Sri Gaur Bhakta Binda ki jai. Srila Bhakti Kushma Ashram Maharaj ki jai. Bhakti Mahavan Janardhan Maharaj ki jai. Srila Bhakti Vijay Trivikram Maharaj ki jai. All the assembled devotees ki jai. All the worldwide devotees ki jai. Harinam Sankirtan ki jai. Samagata Sri Gaur Bhakta Binda ki jai. Srivat Shanta Maharaj ki jai. Srivat Sadhu Maharaj ki jai. All the worldwide devotees ki jai. Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.
हरि हरि बोल। जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजक जगद्गुरु श्री भक्ति निर्मलाचार्य गोस्वामी महाराज।
Mukam karoti vasalam pangu langahati krim jatkripatamaham vande Sri Gurum Dinotaranam. First I am giving my full obeisance to my beloved Gurudev Om Vishnupad Sri Bhakti Sundar Govinda Dev Goswami Madhurata's feet, and giving my full obeisance to all the Guru Varga and Acharya Varga, and all the Sannyasi and all the Vaishnavas, all the distinguished devotees, all the assembled devotees. And finally, I am giving my full obeisance Bhagavan Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur's lotus feet, whose disappearance today happened. Who is the great personality? Is not only he is not only ordinary person. He is not the things of the material things. He is coming from the Goloka Vrindavan. He is coming from the Lord, and his job is finished here. He gave responsibility to all his beloved disciples, and went to go back to his own home. For that, in this way, Param Guru Maharaj has written his good pranam mantra. Nikhilo Bhavana Maya Sinno Visinno Kurti Vibuddha Bahulo Mrigga Mukti Mohanto Datri Shitilito Vidhi Ragaradhur Adesho Dhani Bilosito Hidi Nittam Bhakti Siddhanto Bani. Nikhilo Bhavana Maya Sinno Visinno Kurti. He declared the totalitarian war against the Maya. Against the Maya, and he also reduced some rules and regulation. Shitalito Vidhi, so much rules and regulation people have, and proper, he is giving so much pure devotion. He distributes the pure devotion. Thane thane kotomot thapiyaso nishkapot. And he makes so many temples, like 64 temples. 60 temples, Gauriya Math branch, 64 branch. He made and he distribute and he sent all the brahmachari sannyasi to the householder people and bring the people and taking the people from the Maya, and there he is using to them for service for Srimati Radharani and Sri Radha Govinda. He throwing them to the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. Because he got the message, he got when he was in the Param Guru Maharaj is writing another slok very nicely. Gaure Ganga Tate Navabraja Navadvipa to Mayapuri, Sri Chaitanya Mata Prakasha Para Jiva Ko Kalyanidhi. He great benefit, he gave us to the great benefit of the Jiva soul. And because he made in the bank of the Ganges, Chaitanya Mat. And we are, this pranam mantra, we are telling the Siddhanta Saraswati Titi Vidite Gauriya Kurbana, Bhata Bhanuri, Uprabhata Gogone, Rupanu, and he is worshipped with all the Rupanu Budwan. In this way, he is sitting under the jackfruit in the Chaitanya Mat, and he is promised that he will Shatakuti Nam Jagan, billions of 10 billions, I cannot understand. So, 100 koti. And Shatakuti. 1 million is 10 million in 1 crore and 100 crore. 10 million is equal to 1 crore and 100 crore. Nam Jagga, he making 100 and he did that Nam Jagga. And after that, Srimati Radharani came in front of him. Sri Guru Gauriya Gandhari Giridhari Radharani came to him and he told you have to preach, you have to preach. And he told, I have no oil, I have no manpower. How can I preach? Don't worry. Srimati Radharani told, don't worry, I am sending my association, all of them. And all the Acharya Borgo, so many Acharya Borgo. As Bhaktivedanta, Swami Maharaj Prabhupada, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Srila Bhakti Rakha Siddhanta Goswami Maharaj. Our Guru Bhakti, Yamal Bhakti, Alak Paramhansa, Vaikhanas Maharaj, Jajavar Maharaj, Bhakti Madhav Maharaj, Yeshab Maharaj, Nitya Maharaj, so many scholars and so on, personalities he sent. They came as his disciples. The Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati was very humanity. They never thinking. We are telling, you are my disciple. No. He is telling, you came to me in front of me. Because you are giving me mercy, because you take initiation from me. You gave me mercy. You gave me mercy because of you came to me, and all of them you are my guru, and all of them you are my master, not disciple. Like this here, he giving all the obeisance to. That is his quality. We can see that কুলিয়াতে পাষণ্ডীরা অত্যাচার কইল যারা তাদের দোষ ক্ষমা করি জগতে কইল ঘোষণা তররিব সহিষ্ণু না। কুলিয়াতে পাষণ্ডীরা অত্যাচার কইল যারা, for his strong preaching against so many misconception. You know the 13 Apasampradaya, so many misconception is there. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur saw that, and Bhaktivinoda Thakur praying. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, when he was very learned person and deputy magistrate in the Krishnanagar, that time he is thinking, that time he is reading so many, he got so many books about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, about Chaitanya Charitamrita, he collected so many books. After that he saw in this area, in this Bengal, what going on, that is all misconception, all is Maya, all is misconception. It is fully wrong decision, wrong things they are distributing, wrong things they are giving prachar, they are doing. It is not correct things. And after that he is praying, he and his wife praying to Bimala Devi in Jagannath Dham. He was praying, he is playing in Jagannath Dham, he is praying in Jagannath Dham to Bimala Devi. And Bimala Devi, by the mercy of Bimala Devi, by the prasad of Bimala Devi, they got the child as like son. But who can preach proper conception in this world? As he got that son in Puri Dham, in Jagannath Prajutkale Purushottama, on Puri Dham he got it. Understand, in this way they got him. And you know that he was baby. The Bhaktivinoda house there. And then Chariot, Jagannath Chariot was staying in his house like 3 days. Jagannath Chariot was staying in 3 days there. Because it's a Lord and Lord's devotee. Lord is devotee. Lord and Lord's devotee has connection. And Jagannath is standing there. And the Bhaktivinoda Thakur's and his wife coming to pay Dandavat to Jagannath Dham, and Bhaktivinoda Thakur all arrangement, because he was the in charge of the Puri Rathayatra. He was the main in charge of the Rathayatra arranging. And then he 3 days Chariot there, and they are cooking for offering bhog, everything they are doing in front of their house in Chariot. And that time they bring that son Bimala Prasad, who is Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Later, that Bimala Prasad is lying down under the feet of Jagannath, and he is criminalling. And that time he touched the Jagannath feet like this cast. He cast the Jagannath feet, and then like this, how it is so much acquainted, so much known person, each other, Bhakta and Bhagavan, devotee and devotees in Lord, like this, cast the Jagannath feet, and Jagannath himself give his garland to Bimala Prasad. Understand, in this way, Bhakti Siddhanta Bimala Prasad came in this world, and every all Panda, all the arranger, everything, they are very surprised, they are astonished. They are very surprised. This boy is not ordinary person. This boy will be the great preacher in this world. He will preach about Jagannath all over the world. In this way, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur came in this world. I heard from so many scholars, and Param Guru Maharaj also written everything. And we know that we know that কলিতম বিনাশিতে আনিল অবনীতে, মানে শ্রী গৌরাঙ্গ পারিষদ ঠাকুর শ্রী ভক্তি বিনোদ দীনহীন পতিতর বন্ধু, কলিতম বিনাশিতে আনিলেন অবনীতে তোমা অকলঙ্ক পূর্ণ ইন্দু। Is all darkness, all college darkness, Bhaktivinoda Thakur bring on friend of the fallen soul, and he is like more than sun. Understand, sun have also dirtiness sometimes coming, but he has no any dirtiness. In this way, he brought the sun in this world. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, চুপ করে এখানে বসতে পারো না, চুপ চঞ্চলতা হবে না, শোনো মন দিয়ে। In this way, মার্কেট যাবে এখন, ওসব ভালো লাগে না। মার্কেট যাবে কি মার্কেট আছে তোমার? কি মার্কেট দরকার এখন? হ্যাঁ, সবজি Maharaj can go and buy early morning 6 o'clock. Come here, sit. In this way he is very call Kamalendra here. Disturb. Call Niriyamas, call. What is telling? Disturbing the Harikatha. In this way, in this way he is distributed this, that after that, Srila Siddhartha Goswami was telling about these so many things about Srila Bhakti Saraswati Thakur. He told little history of his disappearance day. Viraho. This is called Viraho Tithi. When Viraho is coming, if Viraho when coming, if relation is coming, then Viraho come. Without relation, no Viraho. No separation. Some relation coming, then separation coming. But when relation coming, where service is there, where is service there? If no service, no relation. If have service, then relation have. ওখানে কি কপালে কি রাখবে খাতা টমেটো বলো কে দাও তোমার কাছে টাকা নেই আমার সবজি কিনে আনতে পারো না তো টাকা দিত টাকা দিয়ে দিয়ে আমার যাইছে থাক ভালো লাগে না ওটা আমি কলকাতা গিয়ে নিয়ে যাবো কলকাতা সবজি নিয়ে দাও টাকা 200 টাকা দাও 200 রুপিস দিয়ে বেশি করে কিনে দাও বেগুন টমেটো কাঁচা টমেটো কিনে দাও মানে এখান থেকে কিনে দাও Heart is telling
you were speaking about Virahagiti and say that without service there is no relation.
What is the where service is there, relation is there. And where relation is there, then Viraho will come. Under separation will come. Then no relation, no service, no relation. That is main things. That is Param Guru Maharaj told always, very nicely. And then Param Guru Maharaj is writing very nicely. Param Guru Maharaj is one day asking to Gurudev, our beloved Gurudev, he asking one time, say, you are singing sometimes Sudhana Arabadu Radhika Padazigam. Whose part you like? Whose part you like that? And Gurudev is little thinking what he will tell. He told Tripaya Hori Kirtana Murti Dharam Dharani Bharoyhar Gaura Janam Janakadhikavatsala Snigdhapadam Pranamami Sada Prabhu Pada Padam. He giving so much mercy to a fallen soul. And through Harikitha, his Murtiman, he's a deity like Kirtan deity, his Harikatha's deity to us. And Dharani Aparabhak Vidurgan and so many affairs, so many bad things he is removing. See, Gaur Parshadan, Ziban Pruti, Janavabekka. He is more than love and affection, giving more than father. He is giving so much love and affection more than father. He gave like this. Janakadika Patsala Sriddha Padam. He gave so much love and affection more than father. He gave Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur's glorification writing by Srila Siddhartha Goswami Maharaj. In this way, meaning very nicely. And he also composed another things. Today morning time, I meaning some things very meanings, very Bhaya Bhanjana Jaya Samsana Karunaya Tananam Kanak Utpala Janak Ujjala Rasa Sagara Chayanam Mukhare Krita Dharani Tala Hari Kirtana Rasanam Hiti Pavana Bhavatarana Pihitarana Vasanam Shubhodaya Divase Drisharomi Jani Jadaitam Pranamami Chara Charantika Porichara Vasahitam. Very nicely writing. Very nicely writing. If you meaning those things, this very nice things, his meaning is very It is very difficult for compose English translation for me. That is very, it is eternal and so much developing. So much developing is eternal. Muni Maharaj is there, Shanta Maharaj.
Anurudh Maharaj.
Muni Maharaj there.
Let me check Maharaj. He's connecting Maharaj, he's connecting.
যিনি সুবর্ণ কমল উৎপাদনকারী উজ্জ্বল রস সাগর হইতে উত্থিত, যার বিশাল ও কারুণ্যপূর্ণ লোচন যুগল ভয় নিবারণ ও আশ্রিতগণের বিজয় ঘোষণা করিতেছে, যার রচনা সমগ্র পৃথিবীকে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ সংকীর্তনে মুখরিত করিতেছে, এবং যিনি জগত পবিত্রকারী ও ভবতাপ বিদূরণকারী অরুণ বসন পরিধান করিয়া শোভা পাইতেছেন, শ্রী চরণার্চনগণের সহিত শ্রী বৃষভানু নন্দিনী সেই নিজ প্রিয়জনকে তদীয় শুভ প্রকট বাসরে আমি পুনঃ পুনঃ প্রার্থনা করি। রাইটিং লাইক দিস। Can translate Maharaj?
Maharaj,
No sound.
আমি ধ্যান দিয়ে নি মহারাজ, আবার বলে আমি ট্রান্সলেট করে দেবো মহারাজ।
Very hard thing. তিনি সুবর্ণ কমল উৎপাদনকারী উজ্জ্বল রসসাগর হইতে উত্থিত, যাহার বিশাল ও কারুণ্যপূর্ণ লোচন যুগল ভয় নিবারণ ও বিজয় ঘোষণা করিতেছে, যাহার রচনা সমগ্র পৃথিবীর শ্রীকৃষ্ণ কীর্তন মুখরিত করিতেছে, এবং যিনি জগত পবিত্রকারী ভবতাপ বিদূরণকারী অরুণ বসন পরিধান করিয়া শোভা পাইতেছে, সেই চরণার্চন গুণের সহিত বৃষভানুকে সেই প্রকাটে আমি পুনঃ পুনঃ প্রণাম করি।
Maharaj, difficult Maharaj to translate so fast.
It is very difficult. Dharma is writing, very difficult. It is not very hard. It is not a small thing. For that I told Srimad Muni Maharaj maybe can translate.
Yes, Maharaj.
Srimad Muni Maharaj can
He's coming online, Maharaj.
He heard that?
He's coming, Maharaj. He's coming. Mani Maharaj, have you connected?
Please, when he translates, try to speak slowly so I can grind in Spanish.
Dandavad Maharaj.
ধন্যবাদ। ভয় ভঞ্জন জয় সংশন করুণায় তয়নম সংস্কৃত, যিনি সুবর্ণ কমল উৎপাদনকারী অপ্রাকৃত উন্নত উজ্জ্বল রস সাগর হইতে উত্থিত, যার বিশাল ও কারুণ্যপূর্ণ লোচন যুগল ভয় নিবারণ আশ্রিতগণের বিজয় ঘোষণা করে দিচ্ছে, যার রচনা সমগ্র পৃথিবীকে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ সংকীর্তনে সর্বদা মুখরিত করে দিচ্ছে, যিনি জগত পবিত্রকারী ও ভবতাপ বিদূরণকারী অরুণ বসন পরিধান করিয়া শোভা পাইতেছে, সেই চরণার্চন গণের বৃষভানন্দ সেই প্রিয়জনকে আমি বারবার পুনরায় প্রণাম করি।
Dandavad Maharaj. ট্রান্সলেশন করতে হবে?
পারবেন?
চেষ্টা করবো মহারাজ।
বলুন।
আপনি অনেকগুলো বললেন, আমার মানে মনে নাই।
একটাই লাইন, একটাই all sentence.
You said
Aurangabad right all sentence.
that golden, that saffron dress. I think it is the glorification of Sri Saraswati Thakur.
মহারাজ, ধীরে ধীরে বললে ট্রান্সলেশন হয়ে যাবে, অতটা একসঙ্গে করলে মুশকিল আছে।
যিনি সুবর্ণ কমল উৎপাদনকারী উজ্জ্বল রসসাগর হইতে উত্থিত,
Who has come out from that golden lotus
রসসাগর,
Ocean of mellow.
ocean of transcendental mellows, transcendental ecstasy, maybe we can say.
যার বিশাল ও কারুণ্যপূর্ণ লোচন যুগল, লোচন মানে আখি, আইস, ভয় নিবারণ ও বিজয় ঘোষণা করিতেছে,
whose big lotus eyes, two lotus eyes, are full of compassion, ocean of mercy, and giving some victory to devotees, something like that.
Yes. যার রচনা সমগ্র পৃথিবীকে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ সংকীর্তনে মুখরিত করে দিচ্ছে।
Yes, whose words is Rasana Samagra. Rasana Samagra means the sum total of all the Rasana means mellows that he is distributing is drowning the entire world into that Krishna consciousness, Krishna Bhakti.
যিনি জগৎ পবিত্রকারী ও ভবতাপ বিদূরণকারী অরুণ বসন পরিধান করিয়া শোভা পাইতেছেন।
Yes, who is the remover of all the troubles of the world, and who is wearing beautiful saffron dress and giving mercy to the whole world. In this way, he's magnificently and beautifully.
ভবতাপ বিদূরণকারী।
Yes, and he's Bhavata means
Extinguishing the material miseries,
yes,
fire of material miseries. Who is extinguishing the fire of material miseries?
সেই চরণাচরগণের সহিত বৃষভান নন্দিনীর সেই নিজ প্রিয়জনকে আমি বারবার প্রণাম করি।
so that who at that lotus feet who is surrendered, that is Vrishabhanu Nandini, that is Srimati Radharani, that her own person, that is I worship him. Vandana means to glorify him.
শ্রী রাধাকুণ্ড তটে সানন্দ সুখদা কুঞ্জে যিনি নিজে প্রিয়জনের ভজন পরায়ণ।
Yes, that means in the Radhakund, in particular Kunja called Swananda Sukhada Kunj, who is engaged in the worship of her own persons.
ললিতাদি ব্রজ উজ্জ্বলা ব্রজ ললনাগণের পরম আদর ভাজন।
Yes, who is the recipient of the highest love and affection of the Brajalalanas like Lalita Adi.
যিনি ব্রজবনে প্রসিদ্ধ কমল মঞ্জুরি অত্যন্ত প্রিয়।
And who is very dear to the Braja Jana, that is some Kamala Manjari or some.
Kamala Manjari.
Yes, who is very dear to her.
যিনি গুণমঞ্জুরির গরিমা গুণ দ্বারা শ্রী হরির বাসভবন নির্মাণ করিয়াছেন।
Who has constructed the glorious what to say, that monument of the
মনুমেন্ট অফ গুণমঞ্জুরি।
Gunamanjari. Yes.
সেই চরণাচরগণের সহিত শ্রী বৃষভানু নন্দিনীর সেই নিজ প্রিয়জনকে আমি বারবার প্রণাম করি। You know that is same things. শ্রী যিনি বিমলানন্দ স্বরূপ বা বিমলা দেবীর প্রসন্নতা বা উল্লাস স্বরূপ পবিত্র উৎকলে পুরুষোত্তম ক্ষেত্রে জন্মলীলা প্রকাশ করেছেন।
Yes, who is very dear to Vimala Devi, and who has appeared in the most beautiful abode of Purushottam Khetra, that is Jagannath Puri.
এবং নূতন পুলিন বা নবদ্বীপে নিজ পতিত উদ্ধার ও করুণা বিস্তার লীলা প্রদর্শন করিয়াছেন।
And then in the new Pulin, I think Pulin is the bank of river Ganga. Navadvip, and he has revealed his mercy in that Navadvip Dham.
যিনি ব্রজধাম ও পুরুষোত্তম ধাম সদৃশ গৌরধাম পরিভ্রমণ করিয়া ব্রজকাম বৈকুণ্ঠ ধাম কৃষ্ণ নাম নিরন্তর প্রচার করিতেছেন।
So who is always doing parikrama of that non-different Brajadham, that is, and also Nilachal, that is Jagannath Puri Dham, non-different, that is Sri Navadvip Dham, and he is always doing parikrama of that and revealing its glory all over the world.
This is the Srila Siddhartha Goswami Maharaj written. Bhaya Bhanjana Jaya Sangsana. That song has meaning. It's very, very hard to translate. Very highest word. But I want to say something
Beautiful words.
about.
Beautiful words.
Yes, beautiful word.
Attractive.
যখন মহাপ্রভু when Mahaprabhu, I'm now telling English, no problem. When Mahaprabhu is finished his first times Leela, after that Srila Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, staying after that Srila Narottam Das Thakur, Acharya Srinivas, Shyamananda Prabhu and Jiva Goswami, then they doing Mahaprabhu's conception properly and everything properly and purely, he distributed that everything. And after Mahaprabhu gone, then Sanatana Goswami, Rupa Goswami came. After that Sanatana Rupa Goswami gone, then Narottam Das Thakur, Sridhar Shiva, Shivananda Buddha, after that they gone. Then so many misconceptions came. Aul Baul, Karta Bhaja, Nara Darbe, Shoki Beki. So many misconceptions came. And there, in this Bengal, they hate Vaishnava society. They always hate the Vaishnava society because there are so many misconceptions. After so many years, 1838, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur was born in Nadia district, in near Krishnanagar. He born. After that, his life history I do not want to tell it proper fully. After that, he is becoming magistrate in Krishnanagar, and he is collecting so many books, so many scriptures about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he saw that what Mahaprabhu wanted to distribute in this world and what they are doing, it is all full misconception. And after that I told just now, and he is praying to Jagannath and Puridham and Bimala Devi. And Bimala Devi, please, you send someone who can preach properly. He prayed to Jagannath also. And then after that, Prabhupada got the mercy. Actually, Prabhupada is and Jagannath is their devotee and Bhakta and Bhagavan, Lord and Lord's devotee. And Prabhupada came to Godrum, Bhaktivinoda came to Godrumdin, and he brought Bimala Prasad in Godrumdin and staying on a house. That name is Sananda Sukota Kunja now. And after Bhaktivinoda Saraswati Thakur, see, he was, I told just now, he Shatakoti Nam, 100 courts. After that, so many Dikpal, so many scholars came, so many Pandit came, but not Pandit, so many Radharani is gone. Like Yasi Bhaktivinoda Swami Maharaj, Siddhartha Goswami Maharaj, Guru Varga, our Guru Varga, all are Guru Varga. I do not want to say that name again. And then there is still. They are still preaching Mahaprabhu's preaching is still going on. And I told just now, Thane Kotomor Tapiason Iskopor Prevo Seva Shikaite Jibe. What is the service? He is using everything for the service for the Lord. He taught us. He taught us everything. Everything is service for the Lord. And what for he established 64 temples. The temples, Brahmachari Sannyasi, all the preaching going to house. And they distribute the Hari Katha. He told Uburi Bhai Artha Samay Nahi. Wake up, not to sleep in the lap of the Maya. Not to sleep. You stand the holy name. Worship the holy name in this age. And then Mahaprabhu's conception, Trinadapi Sunesana Taruni Boshaishuna, be humble to and give to others. And Prabhupada Bhakti Sasi Thakur, he was beaten. He was beaten. They wanted to kill him. They wanted to kill him in the Kulia Navadvip. Bhakti Chandra Kulia, Bhakti Chandra Saraswati Thakur. And he declared, they can beat me, but my declaration is that Kulia te Pashandira, who tortured me. He declared Tarori Boshaishuna, means tolerance. He declared that means tolerance. That for that his glorification, right, this Kuliyate Pasundira Ottachar Koilo Jara, Tader Dosh Khoma Kori Jagote Koilo Ghoshona Tarori Boshaishuna. That is very nicely. And Param Gurudev is nicely reading. We are singing every day. Jaya 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 Gaura Saraswati, Bhakuti Binodo Anmay Karuna Murati, Prakashile Gaura Seva Bhuvana Mangol, Bhakuti Siddhanta Sutta Progdanu Ujja. And Gurudev. And our Gurudev, some Gauri and others, their objection. But our Gurudev's point is right. He told Bhakti Saraswati not only he is the Bhagavan's Bhakti Saraswati Thakur. He is Bhagavan Bhakti Saraswati Thakur. Because Siddhar Maharaj told that. Siddhar Maharaj reading his mention, he is telling he is not ordinary person. He is Lord himself. Like this.
And also he wants to speak so fast.
Oh. বাগবাজার গৌরী মঠ প্রবাদ was little sick, অসুস্থ লীলা অভিনয় করছে, and he wanted to listen শ্রী রূপমঞ্জুরি পদ এই মোর কীর্তন এই মোর ভজন পূজন, that song, বিরহ song, separation song, that he wanted to listen from Srila Sridhar Maharaj. Sridhar was a little late coming, and somebody ordered to another Prabhu, and he told no. Only Sridhar Maharaj, and he very shouted and he told, stop it, I do not want to hear any mellow or tune. I wanted to listen to that song. And Sridhar Maharaj, that song he singing. And after 24 hours, 1st of January, 1937, Prabhupada Bhakti Saraswati left from this world. And that is that today is the 3rd of January. In this, I want to say something. Siddhartha Goswami was always telling, Prabhupada always telling is very hard like a stone, Vajrer moto koti. But sometimes he is like soft as lotus. He's like as lotus. Others always giving some Vatsalya, he's always giving like this with his son is so much love and affection. And he's telling that song, he is love and affection giving more than my father. Like telling, more than our father. And Prabhupada telling, what I told everything. Maybe you not like this kind of word, but you will remember me after my death. After my death, you will remember me. Maybe you do not like this word. Maybe after death, you can remember me. And he told In this world, we did not come as a mason or as a marble laborer or carpenter. We came in this world to distribute the message of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's message, to distribute them everywhere. He told that. Who is the Krishna Bahirmu? Who is material people? You have to go and door to door and bring these people and sense them and make the devotee to service for the Lord. He is telling that. He tells you can make the millions of millions hospital. You can serve the so many patient or cancer hospital. No problem. That is the, because more than you can make on devotee, on the materialist person, you can sense it as a devotee. That is the great job. That is the great job. He told, Toshamotkari kokhono guru hote pare na. Who is flattering, he cannot be a guru. You know flattering, sometimes guru is flattering the disciple. Understand? Not flattering, huh? Maharaj? English? What is English?
I can not remember. Maybe it is like, some kind of tusamotkori, but what you call in English?
Flattering.
Okay, Maharaj.
Giving oil, always giving oil. Flattering, yes.
Chaplusi.
Huh?
Only the Bengali words are coming to me. Memory Maharaj.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
correct. What you are saying is correct. Maharaj.
Huh?
যেটা আপনি বলছেন,
What is this?
যেটা আপনি বললেন ওটা ঠিক।
Flattering.
Flattering.
Yes, flattering. I remember. Somebody told me. And he told, in this world, 99% will not coming to Krishna consciousness. But you will not be deserted. You will not be deserted. Nirushaho, na? Deserted, na? Yes, Mora? Nirushaho?
Yes, correct.
Deserted. Yes. He told in this world 99% people will not come into Krishna consciousness. For that you will not be deserted. You will not lose your energy. You will try to preach more and more. And so many problems come. Many danger position will come. Many problems will come in your life. But you will not leave Krishna consciousness. You will stay with Krishna consciousness. Understand? Prabhupada told, শত গঞ্জনা শত লাঞ্ছনা এবং শত লাঞ্ছনার মধ্যেও শত বিপদের মধ্যে তুমি হরিভজন ছাড়বে না। And Bhakti would have established the Nam Hatto. And Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, that he is increasing with this Nam Hatto program. Understand? Who wants to do Hari Bhajan, who is coming to the Krishna consciousness, he will be the eternal servant of the Guru, eternal servant of the Lord. And he will serve forever under guidance of Guru. Without guidance of Guru Vaishnava, Hari Bhajan, it is worshipping is Maya, not Hari Bhajan. Without guidance of Guru and Vaishnava, you are worshipping the Lord. It is not worshipping the Lord, it is worshipping the Maya. You are doing so many things, clearly everything doing. You are doing so many practice, maybe 3 millions of Harinam every day, no problem. But so many holy places you went. Even you are 64 types of Bhaktanda you are practicing. You are so much, what is called, renouncer. You so much renouncer person. So much worshipping tapasya. So much namsik sankirtan. so much thought, so much meditation.
Finance.
But so much meditation doing. But if you have no anugatya of the Guru, you are not faith of your Guru, you are not under guidance of Guru, if you are not practicing this, it is only Atmendriya Tarpan, means Maya. His own desire.
Own worshipping yourself.
Yeah, worshipping yourself. Yes. That is Prabhupada told that. It is called not Hari Bhajan, it is Atma Vanchana or Para Vanchana. Atma Vanchana or Para Vanchana ki Maharaj?
Deceiving yourself and also deceiving others.
Okay. What is the root of Hari Bhajan? It is Guru and Vaishnava Anugatya. Under guidance of Guru, under guidance of Vaishnava. Without guidance of Guru, you are doing worshipping, you ghora denge ghas khawa. Mane ki? Maharaj, English ki hoy?
Actually,
Ghora
that
denge
is
ghas khawa.
yes, Muni Maharaj, you want to say?
To take grass, to eat grass by leaping over the horse.
No, that is a phrase for horse for eating. That you jump that actually.
Yes. But what in this day, we are praying to Srila Prabhupada. Wherever you stay, anywhere you stay, we want to serve. We want to serve the servant of your disciple or your followers. We can serve them. That is our wish. I am begging to them because I am beggar. I am begging to you, everybody. Please, you give some mercy to me how I can serve to all Guru Vaishnava. In this way I am praying. And Srila Bhakti-Rakha Siddhartha Goswami Maharaj has written something about Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur's disappearance when happened 1937. And that moment he wanted to tell, and I wanted to little bit describe about this, about to tell what is happening that day. And Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, this few days, his heart was little problem. Some Ayurvedic treatment happening that is not working properly. Then after that allopathic treatment come, and he understood that my body is going to so much weak. I will not be anymore in this world. 1936, he also went to Puri, Prabhupada. Siddhartha Maharaj also went with him. And Prabhupada was staying in Chatak Parvat in Purushottam Gauriya Math. And Prabhupada telling, he told, I want to listen that song, Nijo Nikoto Nipasodehi Govardhanam Tamo. He want to listen that song. And Jajabar Maharaj that day also singing Rupa Manjuri Path Kirtan. And that time Srila Prabhupada sent to Bhaktisaranga Goswami Maharaj in London. And he came to Khurda station, Srila Prabhupada, and gave his garland to Aprakita Prabhu. And he told Aprakita Prabhu, if somebody wants to chant the holy name, you are the brahmachari, but you can give the holy Harinam to them. He told to the Aprakita Prabhu. After that 1 month, Srila Prabhupada came back to Kolkata. And other devotees staying in the Kotak. And when we got the message from Chaitanya Math, Srila Prabhupada is day by day is very going to sick. That time is very winter season, very cold. And Prabhupada's treatment was running. And Prabhupada is not so much cure for that. And when he was sleeping in the bed, Siddhartha Maharaj told, we are take care of him. And Siddhartha Maharaj told me to sing that Rupa Manjari song. In this way, after Srila Prabhupada left, after 24 hours, he left his body. And Siddhartha Maharaj right. Siddhartha Maharaj written when he was lying down, and 3 times he's like breathing, and his breathing and his left his body. And he told, we came from Bagbajar Mott to Shialdah station and bring his eternal body, and coming to Krishnagar, and a special train arranging for the devotees, a special train renting. After that, came to Krishnagar, and from Krishnagar to all the dead body came to Swarupganj Ghat, and we are carrying his body to our shoulder, and crossing the Saraswati river. And when we are coming back Chaitanya Math, that time, night time at 8 p.m. Sorry. And everybody digging and I also, Siddhartha Maharaj told, I also digging the soil. And next day morning, Prabhupada was sitting there, early morning. And he told, it is after 24 hours, his body not sense, nothing, eyes, nothing not giving, but his body's color not sense, no smell, very good smell coming is from his body. His body is like this. And Srila Siddhartha Maharaj told, and when he is giving soil giving his body until his neck, soil coming, and Siddhartha Maharaj told, I cannot tolerate these things, so that I ran away from that place. And because I could not tolerate that things. And after few minutes I came back, and that is all finished. And his top, his samadhi on Tulsi tree was there, and everybody is starting to Sankirtan with Parikrama, his samadhi mandir. And that is samadhi, happened like this. In this way, Srila Prabhupada writing, and Srila Prabhupada also composed on very nicely Viraha song, and very nicely Sri Sarishato Untrinse Joshtodino Ekotrinse Chaitanabde Maso Trivikram Sri Brujya Portangasi Gaur Hari Bole Daki Daito Dashi and Aradham. But it is not like this. And Bhaktivedanta Sridhar Goswami Maharaj also written on Daito Dasakam, and very nicely after Prabhupada's disappearance, Prabhupada left his body. After that he composed on Sulaka. Nite Jasmino Nishanta Nayana Jala Bharoi Sanato Kartabodhanang Ustari Saita Brisha Kopishita Siyam Dishtam Pittiga Yarania Jatashan Shigram Kripa Niyatam Kinkara. So many things he's writing, but I do not want to sing more time today. And I am singing his song something, this Viraha song that is necessary to sing today. Okay. Morning I sang, and today I want to sing. The Kartal Bhajana. সুজনার বুধুরাধিত পাদ যুগং যুগধর মধুরান্তর পত্র বরম
সুজনার বুধরাদিত পাদ যুগম যুগধর মধুরান্ধর পাত্র বরম
পরদা ভয়দায়ক পূজ্য পদ
वरदा वयदायक पूज्य पदम
আমি সদা প্রভু পাদ পদম
प्रणमामि सदा प्रभु पाद पदम प्रणमामि सदा प्रभु पाद पदम
অজনর্জিত সজ্জন সঙ্গপতি পতিতাদিক কারণিক গতি ভজন
जनार्चित सज्जन संगपति पतिताधिक कारुणैक गतिम्
গতি বঞ্চিত বঞ্চক চিন্ত পদ
गतिवञ्चित वाञ्छक चिन्त्य पदम्
আমি সদা প্রভু পাদ পদম
प्रणमामि सदा प्रभु पाद पदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभु पाद पदम्
অতি কমল কাঞ্চন দৈঘতনু তনু নিন্দিত হে মমিনাল মদ অতি
कोमल काञ्चन दीर्घतनु तनु निन्दित हेम विनालमदम् मदनार्बुदबन्धित चन्द्रपदम् Maharaj muted.
নিজ সেবক তার করঞ্জে বিধম বিধু তাহিত হুঙ্কিত সিংহ বরম নিজ
निज सेवक तारक रंजी विधुम विदुताहित कृत सिंहवरम
বরনাগত বালি ছন্দ পদ
मरणागत पालित सन्दपदम्
আমি সদা প্রভু পাদ পদম
प्रणमामि सदा प्रभु पाद पदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभु पाद पदम्
বিপুলিত কৃত বৈভব গৌরভুবা ভুবা সুবিকৃত গৌরদয় বিপুলিত দয়নীয় গণার্পিত গৌরপদ আমি সদা প্রভু পাদ পদম
प्रणमामि सदा प्रभु पाद पदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभु पाद पदम्
চির গৌর জনাশ্রয় বিশ্ব গুরু গুরু গৌর কিশোর কদাস পরম চির
गौरजनाश्रय विश्वगुरुं गुरु गौरकिशोर कदास्य पदम्
পরমাদ্রিত ভক্তি বিনোদ পদ
परमाद्रित भक्ति विनोद पदम्
আমি সদা প্রভু পাদ পদম
प्रणमामि सदा प्रभु पाद पदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभु पाद पदम्
রঘুরূপ সনাতন কীর্তি ধরম হরণিত লোকীর্তিত জীব কবি রঘুরূপ অবিরাজ নরকম সদা প্রভু পাদ পদম
प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदम्
হরি কীর্তন মূর্তিধরং ধারণে বরয়ারক গৌরজনম
कृपया हरि कीर्तनमूर्तिधरं
অনকাদিক বৎসল সিংহ পদ
जनकाधिकवत्सल स्निग्धपदम्
প্রণমামি সদা প্রভু পাদ পদম
प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदम्
শরণাগত কিঙ্কর কল্পতরং রুধিকৃত ধীরব ধন্যবরং
शरणागत किङ्करकल्पतरुं तरुगीतधीरवदान्यमनम्
পরদেন রগনাশ্রিত দিব্য পদ প্রণমামি সদা প্রভু পাদ পদম
प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदम्
পরহংস বরং পরমার্থপতি পত্নী
परमार्थपतिं
অতিদুদ্ধরণে কৃত বেশ জ্যোতি
पतितो धरणे कृतवेषजति
জ্যোতিরাজ গণয় পরিছেপ পদ প্রণামামি সদা প্রভু পাদ পদম
प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदम्
বৃষভানু সতী দয় নৈচরং চরণাশ্রিত রেণুধরস্তমহং
वृषभानुसुतादयितानुचरं चरणाश्रितरेणुधरास्तमहम्
মহাদ্বৈত পাবন শক্তি পদ
महदद्भुत पावन शक्तिपदम्
প্রণামামি সদা প্রভু পাদ পদম
प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदम्
জয় প্রভু পদ জয় প্রভু পদ প্রভু পদ জয়
जय प्रभुपद जय प्रभुपद प्रभुपद जय प्रभुपद
জয় প্রভুপদ জয় প্রভুপদ প্রভুপদ জয় প্রভুপদ
जय प्रभुपद जय प्रभुपद प्रभुपद जय प्रभुपद
Okay, beloved song, that what song Sridhar Goswami Maharaj chanting that song when just before Prabhupada left his body. সেরূপ মঞ্জরি পদ সেই মোর সম্পদ সেরূপ
मंजरीपत से मोर संपद
সেই মোর ভজন পূজন সেই
मोर भजन पूजन
সেই মোর ভজন পূজন
से मोर भजन पूजन
আর সেই সেই মোর রসনিধি, সেই মোর বাঞ্ছা সিদ্ধি,
সেই মোর রসনিধি, সেই মোর বাঞ্ছা সিদ্ধি,
সেই মোর বেদের ধর্ম,
সেই মোর বেদের ধর্ম,
সেই মোর বেদের ধর্ম,
সেই মোর বেদের ধর্ম।
আর সেই ব্রত সেই তব সেই মোর মন্ত্র জপ,
সেই ব্রত সেই তপ সেই মোর মন্ত্র জপ,
সেই মোর ধর্ম করম,
সেই মোর ধর্ম করম।
আরে অনুকূল হবে বিধি, সেই পদে হইবে সিদ্ধি, অনুকূল হইবে বিধি,
সেই পদে হবে সিদ্ধি।
নিরখিব এই দুই নয়নে,
নিরাখিব এই দুই নয়নে,
আরে সেরূপ মাধুরী রাশি প্রাণকুবলয় শশী,
মাধুরী রাশি প্রাণ কৈবল শশী।
প্রফুল্লিত হবে নি সেদিনে,
প্রফুল্লিত হবে নিশিদিনে।
আর তুই দর্শনে ওহি গরলে যার দেহি, তুই দর্শনে ওহি গরলে যার
দেহি,
চিরদিন তাপিত জীবন,
ওই চিরদিন তাপিত জীবন।
আহা প্রভু কর দয়া দেহ মোরে পদ ছায়া,
আহা প্রভু কর দয়া দেহ মোরে পদ ছায়া।
আহা গুরুদেব কর দয়া দেহ মোরে পদ ছায়া,
আহা গুরুদেব কর দয়া দেহ মোরে পদ ছায়া।
আহা প্রভুপাদ কর দয়া দেহ মোরে পদ ছায়া,
আহা প্রভুপাদ কর দয়া দেহ মোরে পদ ছায়া।
নরোত্তম লইল শরণ,
এই নরোত্তম লইল শরণ,
এই অধম লইল শরণ,
ওই অধম লইল শরণ।
প্রভুপাদ জয় প্রভুপাদ, প্রভুপাদ জয় প্রভুপাদ,
জয় প্রভুপাদ জয় প্রভুপাদ, প্রভুপাদ জয় প্রভুপাদ।
বল হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে,
হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে,
হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে,
হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে।
হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে,
হরে হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে।
হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে,
হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে।
তাই গৌর হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল,
নিতাই হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল হরি।
তাই গৌর হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল,
নিতাই হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল।
জগৎগুরু শিলা প্রভুপাদ কি জয়,
জয়।
ভক্তি সিদ্ধান্ত সরস্বতী ঠাকুর ভগবান ভক্তি সিদ্ধান্ত প্রভুপাদ কি জয়,
জয়।
প্রভাত দিবর all the
জয়।
devotees কি জয়, all the world হরি নাম সংকীর্তন, তাই
জয়।
গৌর প্রেমানন্দে হরি
হরি হরি বল।
ধন্যবাদ শ্রীলা আশ্রম মহারাজ।
জগৎ গোস্বামী ভক্তি নির্মলাচার্য গোস্বামী মহারাজ কি
धन्यवाद शीला आचार्य महाराज, धन्यवाद Jufi.
I am fit, I am okay Maharaj. Today I am today in the Zoom Gauriya Vaishnava Association making the program from the ISKCON, and I was in the Zoom from 4 o'clock to until 6:30. In the
Okay.
Zoom meeting, all the Gauriya Vaishnava attending all Sannyasi, all Gauriya Acharya Brindo, they join to the Zoom 4 to 6:30. Prabhupada Krishna
6:30.
Parents Festival.
Okay. At 6:30.
4 to 6:30, 4 p.m. to 6:30, 2.5 hours. And everybody is okay, I see, very nice. Dandavat Maharaj, very nice everything. And oh Prabir, তুমি উৎসবে আসনি কেন? এই করোনার ভয় পেয়ে গেছো? করোনার ভয়ে ঘরের মধ্যে লুকিয়ে আছো?
গেছে ওই জন্য আসি।
হ্যাঁ?
কাকিমা মরে গেছে, একজন কাকিমা মরে গেছে, আমার কাকিমা মরে গেছে।
আর তোমার কি?
ওই পাশের বাড়িতে একদম নিজের তো
ওতে কি আছে?
যেতে পারে
ও তো মায়া।
ওই জন্য যেতে পারে।
Yes, Krishnakant Das, Krishnakant, Dr. Krishnakant,
Dandavat Maharaj.
Doctor,
Dandavat Maharaj.
Dr. Krishnakant.
How are you,
How
Maharaj?
is your son?
Yes, he is
Still he
here.
will cry? Still he will cry to see me?
No, Maharaj. Dandavat karo, Dandavat karo.
Dandavat.
Yes.
How are you,
He is
Mr.?
here.
What is the name? Krishnakant,
Sir,
what is the name?
Raghunandan Maharaj.
Raghunandan, yes. Mr. Raghunandan Das, yes, I forgot. Raghunandan, yes. Mr. Raghunandan Das. কেমন চলছে? I am fine. You are okay?
Yes, I'm getting. Yes, he's saying yes. Very slowly.
He is now big boy. How many years old? 5 years?
4 years, Maharaj.
4 years.
Yes.
Going to school, eh?
Yes, Maharaj.
Now lockdown.
Yes.
Krishna Chaitanya, Chaitanyamoi. Oh, Chaitanyamoi Devi Dashi. How are you?
Dandavat Maharajji.
You are in Italy?
Yes, I'm in Rome, Italy.
No. Sometimes you see our Bon Maharaj. How is he?
It's been a long time I don't see Bon Maharaj. He's
Because
very old.
I am not getting any more poem. Before he is
Uh-huh.
writing so many poems, but now no poem writing. That I am thinking, what happened?
I have no news from him.
Every festival he is sending some poem. But this Gurudas festival I not see he send any poem.
Hmm.
But I do not know his email you have. Huh?
I don't know Maharaj. I don't know.
How he
He's,
send
he's,
that poem? No, he
Sorry.
writing to poem before you do not know. And you cannot send my things to write. And you can send. How are you, Maharaj? I am very worried about you. Why are you? How are you? Like asking. Yes. It is my duty. I am who is sometimes lost. I have to search them. I have to search them where they are hiding. I want to take. I want to go there. Maybe they kick me. I will go again and again. No problem. I have ready for that. Shato Ganjana, Shato Lanchana. So many problems will come, danger will come, not to leave the Krishna consciousness, always remembering Krishna. That is the main things. Where Sripad Puri Maharaj is there. How are you, Bhakti Bandhav Puri Maharaj?
Dandava Srila Charyadev. I'm fine. I'm under the shelter of Srila Sridhar Swami Sevashram. This is a beautiful ashram Srila Govinda Maharaj gave us in company of the all beautiful devotees.
Sevashram, yes.
Srila Sridhar Swami Sevashram. The same name as a Govardhan.
Good. How is Ishani?
Dandavat Maharaj. We're fortunate again. See you again. Happy to see you, Maharaj.
Thank you so much. And some devotees from Colombia, Peru, and where? Colombia, they are trying to send some money, and they already did send some money for my buying the new land in Nishingapolli. It's Prasadam Hall, Prasadam Palace. And I got that money. Thank you for that. I am not only giving thank you, it is simple matter. Gurudev, I am telling you thank you, and Gurudev only thank you. And for that, I do not want to say thank you. It is simple things, thank you. Only that tradition telling thank you. But I am giving from heart, giving my love and affection, and engaging you service. I told this, where is service, that is relation coming. No service, no relation. Everybody has no capacity to helping the money, but sometimes somebody is helping. আমি পাঠ করছি, পরে কথা বলতে হবে। পাঠ করছি। Somebody is helping through their mind, through their heart, and through their money, and through their and many devotees coming from Bokaro, some Bengal, they are cooking, they are helping, they are serving, prasadam, cleaning, everything doing, decoration making, deities rooms cleaning, everything, so many service, cooking service, cleaning service. And you see that Nath Mandir newly, that full Nath Mandir decoration newly, all done thorough, and newly decoration, Kamalendu, Sadhu Maharaj, Krishna Sundari, Sudevi, they are doing so much service, they are in decoration, everything, all decoration. All decoration in the Nath Mandir. You see that Gurudev's Bashashan is very powerful, very amazing decoration they make, all Nath Mandir. Everything happening very nicely. Lot of service, all day, night working, night until 4 a.m., going to sleeping 4 a.m. And again wake up 7:30, 8 o'clock, they did all the service. After cooking, prasadam, everything happening very nicely. And so much service they did. And who is the far? They are sending some money for Gurudev's festival and for buying the new land here. Because this year also I make pandal for prasadam. It is very difficult. Nath Mandir giving class and prasadam is same place is very difficult. For that, for Indian devotees, I make arrangement. I want to buy land, a small land on the middle land. That is 5,000 square feet. That land I'm going to buy next week. But there are so many devotees collecting money. I heard, and very nicely. Srila Janardhan Maharaj also sent some money, and I collected. I got that. And from Singapore always coming Colombia's devotees, Mexican devotees, they are sending, Russian devotees, sending, who has capacity, who want to do service, they are sending. I am very happy to with that. And very nicely doing, happily, service from Turkey also. From Turkey also some donation came. And last month some Hungary also came. Some also, they are serving. They are good. Gurudev gave me so many souls in my hand. And there, here is from Australia, Krishna Sundari Didi. She is old, but she is also helping with her pension. With her pension, Gurudev told one door will be closed, another door will be open. She also here and she is helping lot of service doing. And here 1st of January, 31st December, bank closed here. And my money was short and Krishna Sundari giving and service here. So much she done. It's unforgettable. The Krishna is, Gurudev is taking the service from home. We do not know that. Who has some Sukriti, who has some great fortune, they only can participate for their life. So many rich people have, so many big people have, but who is fortunate? Even poor ladies, poor people, they are sending $2, $5, $10. And Mexico, Colombia, Venezuela, their money is dollar is very difficult position, lowest position, but they are still service. They are still doing service, understand? It is unequal, what is called?
Imaginable? Imaginable.
Imaginable, yes. It is imaginable, understand? They are doing the Gurudev service mission. Okay, by the mercy of Gurudev, maybe 2001 will be good. 2020 sorry. 2020 on will be the good for us. For that, it is very nice things are coming, to my everybody. I do not want to expend more time. Any other question today Praneshwari have, but I do not. Dandavat Srila Janardhan Maharaj. Dandavat. Please accept my humble obeisance.
Humble pranam Srila Chajadev. Nitai Gaura Haribo.
Dandavat Srila Janardhan Maharaj. Dandavat.
Dandavat Maharaj.
Dandavat.
How are you?
I'm fine, Maharaj. Today actually a little tired because today I have to do finished my job and tomorrow I'm going to Kolkata. And after that I have to visit Echo Chakra, arranging something there. And after that I start to preaching again, less preaching.
Yeah, I'm always late because I have to finish in the temple.
No problem, Maharaj. Yes, you have temple program. Yes. Today is the disappearance festival of Srila Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. I have the Zoom class from the 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. because of that Gauriya Vaishnava Association arranging that program from the ISKCON. And Sripad Jayapataka Maharaj is invited us, but he was sick, he cannot join. But he sent some followers in the Zoom. And all the Gauriya Vaishnava and Gauriya Acharya are present there in the Zoom, and I was there like 2.5 hours and I gave 10 minutes lecture there. And I told what Srila Sridhar Maharaj told about Srila Prabhupada. I wanted to say something about that. Today also I mentioned about what Srila Sridhar Maharaj told about his Gurudev, Srila Prabhupada. That is his telling. This is the main things, Maharaj. Very nice. Praneshwari today. Is any important question?
Maharaj, you have two questions, but they can wait until next time. Now you're tired and the mood has been so beautiful when you sang these two songs. They are so meaningful. Can you tell us which verse you like in these songs? The two songs that you sang now? The last two songs that you just sang.
Shri Rupa Manjari Pada.
Yes, and the previous one. Can you tell us?
Sujanar Buddha Radhitra Pada Jukam.
Yes. Can you tell us which verse you like most? Because these two questions that you have are not related to this beautiful mood that we have now. So I can ask them next time.
There's no problem. But that is whole song is my very ardent separation thinking, separation feelings. The Sirupa Manjuri Pada Moro Kirtan, that is the beautiful song. Understand? And 1936, when Srila Prabhupada was in Puri, this is 1937, 1st of January, he left his body. But 1936, when he was in Puri, and that time, after Puri coming, he was very sick. But 1936, he wanted to listen that Govardhana Dehi, what is called, what is, and his I wanted to hear from, not from, he wanted to listen that song when he was, that's composed by Raghunath Das Goswami. Composed by Raghunath Das Goswami, he wanted to listen. He wanted to listen that song. And what is the song, that name I told just now? Nijo Nikato Basho Govardhana Tato. Nijo Nikato Basho Govardhana Tato. That song, when he was in the Chatak Parvat in Puri, in Purushottam Gauriya Math, one of the branches of Chaitanya, that is Gauriya Math branch before. He wanted to listen that song. And Srila Sridhar Maharaj asking to Gurudev, which verse you like to listen, and then he is telling Kripaya Hori Kirtana Murti Dharam Dharani Bharoharo Gauro Charam Janakadika Vashchara Srinda Padam Pranamami Sada Prabhu Padapad. And Gurudev suggested that. I also suggested that verse. I like that verse also. It's my favorite verse. What Gurudev likes, I also like that verse. Kripaya Hori Kirtana Murti Dharam. That is verse, I like that. That is necessary. Kundalata. From Russia, Kundalata.
Please accept my humble obeisance to the Gurudev.
I telling you, you can translate that things. That is after Prabhupada disappearance. After Prabhupada disappearance, Srila Bhakti Rakshak Sridhar Dev Goswami Maharaj composed that ভক্তি কি দ্বৈত দাসকম না?
It's translated already.
Who translate?
Maybe
You translate?
No, maybe Sagar Maharaj before.
Oh, where is that? In the website?
Yes, it's there too.
Huh?
It
You have
is.
to find that things. I want to see that. Well, the English, that verse, and Bhaya Bhanjana Jaya Sangshana, that also translated?
Yes, it's translated on the website.
Prapanamjitamrita. Is in the Prapanamjitamrita. Prapanamjitamrita book, Maharaj. Is translated.
Then Sagar
English, na? English, yeah?
See, Sri Dayita Dasa Pranati Panchakam.
Okay.
216, page 216 in
Okay. I'll find Prabhupada Jivanamrita. English I did not read. Because English books I did not read. Prabhupada Jivanamrita I read Bengali, but I did not read English. Okay. I'll see that. Okay. It's very nice. Very nice things. Tell me, give message. I wanted to find today. Because that is what is this Nite Jasmino Nishante Nayana Jala Bharoi Sanata Gantraboda Rangaita. This understand?
Yes, it's translated.
Bhaya Bhanjana Jaya Sangshana, that have, huh?
Yes, Sagar was translated many years ago.
Yes,
What? Nite Jasmino Nishante Nayana Jala Bharoi.
Yes.
Okay, you can send me. I want to see that. Okay.
Yavanshana Jaya Samsana Karunaya Kanayana. We have in Spanish also, Acharya Dev.
Okay, good. Happy? Rise up. Okay. My rice came. Very hungry.
Alu bhatta?
Nah. Same church. Same. Very well. Please forgive my offense. Everybody, please forgive my offense. And I am begging to you, please give me some service. Understand? I can serve you. Yes, this year I will make Navadvip Dham Parikrama Maharaj. Navadvip Dham Parikrama I'll make. I got the message. I will make this Navadvip Dham Parikrama.
When they, in the calendar, can they'll tell us where you will go on each day? Because we used to go on first day we used to do Koladvip, on first day we used to do Antardvip, on second day we used to do Koladvip, third day we do Godrumadvip and wind up at Nrsimhapalli, and fourth day we would do...
From when I am starting Parikrama from Nrsimhapalli, then I am starting Parikrama from Godrumad. Then second day is the Mayapur. And third day is the Kolodvip. And fourth, last day is the same as it is.
Last day is
Mamgachi.
Mamgachi. Ritudvip.
Okay.
Jannudvip Mamgachi. This year happening. This way is happening every year. 2018, 19, 20. 3 years already done. 18, 19, 20. 3 years done.
But now you are adding some of the island, like
Island, yes. Then more than I will make the 5 days.
Adhyadvip also.
I will make the 5 days parikrama.
Okay.
Maharaj, you have some center in Janadvip already?
Yes, I have land. I will make on Pandari wall, not making the temple. I will make the That's place for taking prasadam. Yes.
You'll go to Ritudvip also?
Yes, Maharaj. Ritudvip, Godrumudip, Ritudvip, and Madodrumdip, Jannudip, every dip. That is only Shimantodip and Rududip one day I will make. Because we are talking Shimantodip and Rududip one place, but we are not going. Before we going, but this year
Rudradip, we are not going, Maharaj. Rudradip?
Rududip not going.
Rudradvip
Can be another day.
used to be a temple in Rudradvip, but then it's underwater now, huh?
You know, now not water. Now we have another temple. But when I finished Mayapur, that when Mayapur we can shelter one day Mayapur, and from there easily can do.
Yes. Maharaj, you told that sometime you will do Gaudamandal Parikrama in bus. When that is happening?
What is coronavirus? Everybody that is afraid to go by bus. But it's train can go. Understand? Okay. Dandavat Pranam. Please accept my humble obeisance. Please forgive my offense. Jai Om Vishnupad Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Sundar Govinda Dev Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Om Vishnupad Jagat Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Dev Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Jai Shambhari Garsi Guru Govindananda Prabhu ki jai. Jai Shambhari Garsi Sri Guru Golunga Gandhari Govinda Sundar Ji ki jai. Lakshmi Nishmani Prahlad Maharaj ki jai. Jai Om Vishnupad Bhagavan Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada ki jai. His holy appearance Mahamahotsav ki jai. Jai Srila Guru Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj ki jai. Srila Bhakti Thakur ki jai. Sarvabhauma Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj ki jai. Jai Srila Bhakti Pavan Janardhan Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Kusum Ashram Maharaj ki jai. Bhakti Madhav Puri Maharaj, Bhakti Bandhav Puri Maharaj, Bhakti Nishkam Shanta Maharaj ki jai. Bhakti Vigyan Muni Maharaj ki jai. Sripad Sadhu Maharaj ki jai. Sripad Shanta Maharaj ki jai. All the devotees ki jai. Harinam Sankirtan ki jai. All the assemblage devotees ki jai. All the worldwide devotees ki jai. Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari.
But Trivikram Maharaj also here.
Oh, Trivikram Maharaj here. Jai Srila Trivikram Maharaj. I saw one time. I think she left. Not left, huh?
No, he's there.
Dandavat Maharaj.
Dandavat Maharaj, Dandavat.
Dandavat. How are you, Maharaj?
I'm fine. And you, Maharaj?
I'm fine.
Jayam Vishnupad, Jayam Vishnupad, Srila Bhakti Nirmala Acharya Maharaj ki jai.
Okay. Dandavat. How many?
Dandavat Gurudev. 161 devices are connected, but in each one there are more than 4 people. So you have an audience of more than 600 people now.
Okay.
Dandavat Maharaj.
Thank you so much. Krishna Mauritius. Krishna from Mauritius. Dandavat. Sapta Sundari from Australia. Sapta Bhama from Singapore. Ravindra Krishna from Singapore.
Dandavat Pranam Maharaj.
Dayal Chat, Dayal Nitai Chat. Dandavat.